Hello friends, I am using the brick to do a selfie, and I do have extra lights on, so let's see what it looks like without that. That's what it's a little dark on one side. So unless you're really up close like this, and then it kind of makes shadows I'm not terribly fond of. And also, we're doing the glasses thing. If I tip them up a little bit, see how they're sideways up? That makes a difference. So not bad, right? But I'm not sure that this will be everything you need in order to film all of your work. Now I have the brick on overhead and I don't have either of the lights on. Let's turn this on by long pressing. And there's the underneath. You can kind of see, oh, that's kind of cool. You can see it in the reflection. So let's click it one more time. Now it's even brighter. So it's pretty bright underneath, but I still feel like it's really dark. It does have different temperatures. Okay, this is the brightest cool. So you could be doing things. The base is right about here. It has a pretty wide field of vision. As I move it around a little bit, it is a little bouncy. My table's not super stable, so the bounciness is kind of a bit of a problem. Let's see how far it reaches up. That's a good like 3 feet, 2.5 to 3 feet. It's pretty high, fairly stable. The base is in the frame, so I guess it depends on everything you want it to do.